fantastic. This is really epic. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video, the Mk2 gets the rear bumper, and it's going to be fresh as well as the front bumper. Really excited about this. This has been a long time coming. A lot of people are going to be happy about this. I'm happy about this. I'm on my way to the workshop now. Jamil got the bumpers today, so I'm going to get them on the car, make sure that everything looks good and fits right. I really hope that there's no issues with it. So I got here a while ago and I immediately started to get to the bumpers, and I struggled for a long time with the rear. Jamil's currently busy with it because I was just failing. But this is what the front looks like with a fresh bumper and no plate. I wish I could run it like this, but the plate will be going on now. So the rear bumper's on and it's looking fantastic. So that's what the Mk2 looks like now. I mean, not the best lighting conditions. I'm just waiting for my petrol flap. I don't know if the guy's still bringing it or if I need to get it some other time, but petrol flap delete. It's another day and I am on my way to do wheel alignment. So I did wheel alignment about 3 months ago, but I don't know, quickly after the wheel alignment was out again. So I'm going to go through and get that done quickly. I'm going to a place in Athlone. I actually forgot what the name is, but yeah, quickly going to go through there. Hopefully there's not too many people and I don't have to wait too long. The plan today is just to do alignment, fit a catch can that I bought and wash the car. Because tomorrow I'm planning on going on a run with a few people, very few people, but it's more so just to get out and drive the car. I'm going to do Franschhoek Pass, so that's the plan, and hopefully everything works out. So wheel alignment is sorted. I didn't feel like vlogging there. It was just like a lot going on, a lot of people. I went to Wheel Tech in Athlone, really not badly priced. I think it's like $195, and the steering wheel is mostly straight, so happy with that. On my way to the workshop now and just get the catch can in. So guys, I'm messing around with the catch can. This is what I got. I got the 1 liter Dice catch can, and I just took it apart just to clean it, and I touched this foam and it just broke apart. Now I have to figure out how I'm going to mount this thing because there's no mounting points. So I need to like make some sort of MacGyver for it. Okay, so this little guy is coming out. I'm currently loosening it and I'll do a comparison of side by side. So that's the size comparison. The one on the right is a 1 liter, and I'm not too sure if the one on the left is 500 ml, but yeah, it's a lot more capacity, and hopefully Killarney scrutineers are happy with that. So we just finished up, and that's what the catch can and bracket looks like. This is the hose we use. We just use hose that we could find around the workshop. Might have to change that up in future. So the issue right now is the filter that was in the catch can just basically disintegrated when we touched it. So I need to try and get hold of Dave Ingle, and hopefully he can give me a replacement filter soon. I'm on my way to Stellenbosch now. I'm doing a run this morning like I told you guys. It is so dark. It's just after 6. Yeah, so because of winter we're going to get light much later, but we want to get to the road and have it as empty as possible. So we're first doing Helshoogte and then we're going around the Franschhoek Pass. I'm so excited. I've been wanting to take this car out around the pass for so long, but I don't know, I just haven't done it yet. So we are rolling out. It's just 3 other guys. Unfortunately the road is wet at the moment, so Helshoogte is not going to be as much fun. think we'll just take it easy. So we are just outside of Franchhoek, like the little town area, and weather is just, it's not conducive for driving, so we are waiting for some more guys. I don't know who's coming, but yeah, like you can't see anything. It's really sketchy out. So we were waiting at the bottom, thinking that it's like all cloudy and misty up here, and it's clear. That's so annoying, because we spent so much time waiting up there. So it looks like the pass will be fun. It's just we have traffic at the moment. It is really epic. Look, that is awesome. Oh my word. So Clyde knows these roads quite well. He's in the slow car today, so I hope I can keep up. bystanders are so intense. The road doesn't feel as hectic coming up the other way. tow the car, so couldn't really blip the throttle. On downshifts, so it didn't sound all that great, but I'll get that dialed in. Oh, this guy was going so slowly it looked like he was actually stopped on the road. Last time I was out on these roads, I was in the Mini, and I definitely have a lot more confidence in the Mk2, even though the Mini is probably a better chassis, but it's not mine, so I didn't feel comfortable with it. I have a Golf 7.5 odd behind me, so this is really cool. Mk2 in front, yeah, that's awesome. We are out on the bridge now. It is so windy. Hopefully the mic does its job here, but flip, I really enjoyed that. I'm so glad I brought the Mk2 out. Something I definitely want to do a lot more regularly. And yeah, Clyde moves with this car. It just shows that if you have confidence and you know the road, you can get around the bends quickly. Like, I mean, I pushed the Mk2 quite a bit, lots of quick change in direction, but yeah, I think it's very capable as it is. I just need a lot more seat time, and my tires actually held up fine. Not too much squealing like the Mini was squealing like crazy when I brought it around, but that was quite good. So I don't have my fuel cap on because I haven't gotten it back from the guy that painted the bumpers yet, but hopefully I'll get that back soon. Grabbed a coffee. Some of the Swift guys came out. Yeah, I've got an hour back. I want to try and do 100 to 200 runs because I actually don't have a benchmark for this car, so I'm going to go around and see what I can do. So I just did some 100 to 200. It's my first time doing it. I've never really had enough room to do it, and thought I'd just quickly pop around Mexico and get some runs in. So for the first run, I was just rolling into it in third, and it was a 15.89, and for the second run it was a 17.01, but I think I was on an incline or something, so that didn't work out too well. And then for the third run, I thought I would drop down into second and do a pull from second, so that one was a 15.61. I'm not sure if that's good or not. I mean, the car's not feeling super fast, so I'm not expecting it to be all that, but at least now I have like a baseline of what the car does on pump fuel, because this would be the test to show how fast it actually is. So as I make improvements from here, I'll keep doing 100 to 200 and see if I can get that time lower. This is already quite a long video and I don't want to ramble on, but I'm really happy to have a rear bumper on the Mk2 again. Almost forgot that that was the reason for this video. So the rear bumper back. People are driving really weird. It's so annoying when you are trying to come over and then the person behind you goes first, so they have right of way, but flip it grates me sometimes. Anyways, yeah, rear bumper's back on. Had a great run this morning. The car's really slow, but it is what it is for now. It's a work in progress. Really keen to get it quicker, but I think as a pump fuel 210-ish kilowatt car, it's okay. It's okay for now. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you in the next one.